My name is Jana Means. I did 13 years in the Navy. So you have this woman that's used to being in the best shape she can possibly be in, trapped on the inside of this woman who's just a shell. I began to gain a lot of weight, and my son came to me and he said, "Mom, I don't want to stay here anymore. I want to go live with my dad." And he tells me that he doesn't want to sit and watch me continue to destroy myself. And you get to a point to where you start to cry for help because you feel like you're in this dark place and you don't know how to come out. Each day grows harder and harder. And I finally got to a point where I said, something has to change. And so I went in my closet and I cried and I screamed and I tugged and I pulled. And I'm like, God, what do I do? And that's when he opened the door for me to be able to be a part of Mannatech.
For more than 20 years, Mannatech has helped millions of people just like you transform their wellness.
With more than 3 million customers, 120 patents, over $50 million invested in research and clinical studies, you can be assured that Mannatech products will change your life for the better.
I'm very passionate about this product because I know what it can do. I've seen the change. I found me again. There's a new me now. And I wouldn't trade that for the world. I have my kids back. There's nothing that anybody can put in my face and say, this is better than what you're doing. No, it's not. Because I've tried it all.
Mannatech's New You in 90 program is our guarantee that you'll see and feel a difference in 90 days or less with any of our products. If you don't, we'll gladly refund your money. That's it.
I've been on Mannatech True Health for 6 months, and I've went from a size 18 to a size 8, and I feel amazing, and my feet love me because I'm on my feet all the time. So 65 pounds less on my feet, yeah, they love me.
After 3 weeks, I lost a total of 3 inches off my hips and waist, and of course I felt amazing. It gave me energy and definitely gave me my confidence.
Since starting the Mannatech True Health system, the weight started coming off. I was able to jog an eighth of a mile, quarter of a mile, and I went from a size 44-inch waist to a size 36-inch waist.
I feel better at 40 than I did at 20, and I actually believe my wife now when she tells me that I look good. And I catch my wife looking at me, checking me out.
But I just feel like he's healthier. I feel like his whole body is changing and stuff on the inside as well as just, looking great.
In the first 3 weeks, I lost 10 inches. I went down 3 dress sizes. And so my work pants began to get really big. I was like, I want to keep going with this. I want to keep moving forward. And this product gave me the results I was looking for.
Como todo chef, es difícil como que seguir una dieta. Tengo 3 meses y medio en probando True Health. Rebajé 20 libras.
It wasn't that complicated. I wasn't hungry, I wasn't craving things. I wasn't moody, I wasn't dizzy.
I would recommend the Mannatech's New You in 90 days in a heartbeat because I see what this product can do. I see the changes. I feel the changes. I don't just feel different on the outside. I feel different on the inside.
The best thing that I noticed that made me feel really good was the visceral fat. I did not realize that it would be such a difference. How you feel when that is cleaned out, like you do feel very clean.
And fat is what you really want to lose, especially the very unhealthy visceral fat that can surround the midsection of even seemingly thin people.
Most diet plans that focus on weight loss often have you lose some fat, but also vital lean muscle mass, which can end up ruining your metabolism. Mannatech's True Health system is different because it's specially formulated to help you lose fat and to preserve and build lean muscle mass that helps your body burn even more fat and keep your metabolism going strong.
So, the True Health system is not about the scale. It's about inches lost in a healthy body composition.
In the first 90 days of using this product, I definitely got the old me back. We were actually in the store yesterday because I was like, I need to find an outfit. And my daughter brought me this shirt and it was a 3X and I was like, baby, mommy's not a 3X anymore.
This system is easy to follow, easy to use. It tastes absolutely fantastic. This year alone, I've ran 3 organized 5Ks. I've also ride my bike to and from work, which is 10 miles one way. So it changed my energy level, it changed my activity level. It is a solid game changer.
Simply by sharing something you've had success with, you can get your product paid for. Or even a few extra dollars to help with a house or car payment, college, or even start a new career.
And the time has never been better. People are more aware of health needs than ever before. Social media makes it as easy to share with someone halfway around the world as someone next door.
Soy nuevo, soy un asociado nuevo, solo tengo 4 meses. Y con mi resultado de mi sistema de True Health, voy a usarlo para hacer crecer mi negocio.
People are coming to me asking me, what is this? How are you getting these great results? And so it gives me an opportunity to share not only my amazing story, but these amazing products. And I can't endorse anything that I don't believe in. I can't endorse anything that I don't use myself.
I'm not a business builder, but I have sold a lot just by walking around, from people seeing the weight that I've lost and the success that I've had. And I tell them about it, and because I'm excited that if you follow it and you stick to it, you're gonna lose. There's no question about it.
Well, I love this because it definitely isn't a job. It's something that is a passion that has been woken up that I didn't realize was there.
I just can't thank my friends enough for bringing me across this wonderful opportunity, this product that has totally changed my life for the better.
When my mom was eating a lot, it affected everybody in the house. We've gotten closer ever since she started Mannatech than we ever been before. We started going out more, we started visiting our family more, and we just started doing more fun things together.
Being able to help people like Jana to gain their life back, that's the amazing part. It goes far past $1. It goes far past $1. And that's where the satisfaction comes in.
Mannatech's True Health program gave me my life back.
Ready to have a new you in 90 days? You have nothing to lose and so much to gain. Get started today.